Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Babcock completes HMS Queen Elizabeth maintenance, restoring Royal Navy flagship to operational readiness. Babcock International Group has returned the Royal Navy's flagship aircraft carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth to operational readiness following a planned maintenance program. The work was carried out at the company's Rosyth facility in Scotland. The program involved thousands of hours of engineering work to inspect, maintain and enhance the ship's critical systems. These included propulsion, stabilization and wider repair and renewal activity essential for operational deployment. The work was delivered by a workforce of engineers, technicians and project specialists at Rosyth. The site is one of the largest waterside manufacturing and repair facilities in the United Kingdom. The program highlights Babcock's role in supporting complex naval platforms. It also contributes to sustaining high-value jobs and maintaining specialist skills required for fleet support. Phil Craig, Managing Director of Marine Programs at Babcock, said, "This program of work ensures that the carrier continues to meet the operational demands placed upon her." He added, "At a time of increasing global uncertainty, the availability and capability of the UK's aircraft carriers is more important than ever." He said the milestone reflects both collaboration and technical expertise. This milestone reflects both the strength of collaboration and the depth of expertise required to sustain the Royal Navy's most complex warships. The Queen Elizabeth-class carriers, including HMS Queen Elizabeth and HMS Prince of Wales, each displace around 65,000 tons. They are the largest and most complex warships operated by the Royal Navy. The maintenance period marked the fourth successful dry docking of a Queen Elizabeth-class carrier at Rosyth in 7 years. The program forms part of ongoing efforts to maintain operational readiness. HMS Queen Elizabeth will now begin a period of sea trials. The carrier is expected to return to frontline duties, supporting the United Kingdom's ability to project maritime power globally. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @electronics technology 50.